So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company's called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world. Yes, that is based on facts and data and statistics. The Rideshare Hub is the #1 place for Uber and Lyft drivers to make more money. So if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, or if you've seen any of my videos ever before, please smash the thumbs up button. If you would like to support me as a creator, I would really appreciate that if you could hit the thumbs up button. So the Lyft CEO, well, the Lyft co-founder, Lyft president, whatever you want to call the guy. He works for Lyft, okay? He said he's gonna deactivate every single driver in California in 10 days if this court ruling doesn't get overruled, which I don't think it will because this is a superior court, and you will be surprised at what he had to say to Lyft. Today is Thursday. I'm gonna try to upload this maybe tomorrow morning, so you may be watching this on Friday. But yeah, this is still very relevant because it's almost nighttime here. So I'm just gonna upload this thing first thing in the morning, which let's face it, by the time you're watching this, you'll probably already be sleeping and then waking up. But yeah, Lyft said he's gonna deactivate drivers in California. So if you're a Lyft driver in California, might be time to, go get a job somewhere else. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I'm just gonna I don't even know if I can do the other food delivery apps. Are the other food delivery apps, are you guys getting deactivated too? I don't know, I haven't heard anything. I haven't heard anything about Postmates or Uber Eats. Well, I guess Uber Eats, but because that's Uber. I guess Postmates is Uber too. I don't know. Here we go. I'm gonna get right into this video. By the way, guys, use the link down below to sign up for Cover if you want to get that paid time off. The company just got over $1 million in funding. I'm trying to tell everybody because it's like, this is the time to hop on those things if you want money, if you want paid time off, if you want funds transferred to your account, if you want protection, benefits. Literally, this company fills in the gaps with all these things we're talking about. If you're an independent contractor, what does an employee usually get? Cover, whatever. You guys know what I mean. They're a great company for that purpose. So without further ado, let's get into this. Oh, I did just want to say really quickly, I wanted to show you guys what the judge said, because if you guys don't know what's going on, today's Thursday, right? On Monday, there was a court ruling saying that Uber and Lyft have to make all their drivers employees. But today, on Thursday, 3 days later, Uber and Lyft went back to the court with that same judge who made that ruling, and they asked, so the judge gave them 10 days to change their drivers to employees. That's why Uber and Lyft is shutting down, because they said, well, we can't do that in 10 days. We're gonna have to shut down. So they said, can we please talk to you on Thursday? Can we please try to work something out? The judge said, sure, let's talk on Thursday. Now let's look at accidentally. I want to pull up. Yeah, this I'll show you guys. So they met today, and then this is what they asked. They asked for another like 10 days or something. Yeah, here we go. He issued a preliminary injunction with a 10-day stay, giving the companies time to appeal. Okay, so he gave them time to appeal. California and 3 cities sued Uber and Lyft in May, and blah, blah, blah. So this is what Lyft said. Because Lyft cannot transform its operations at the flip of a switch, if the injunction goes into effect, Lyft will have to immediately suspend operation in California. I'm confident that the court Oh, and then this is what Schulman said. I want to say what Uber said. I don't know, but this is the judge. He goes, I'm confident, listen to this, guys. This is the judge talking to Uber and Lyft. I am confident that the Court of Appeal is capable of acting very quickly where it is necessary for it to do so, he said. I'm unconvinced that any extension of the 10-day stay is required. Both applications are denied. Mic drop. Literally the court goes, oh, you want another extension? Let me think about it. Ha! Denied. Boom. You know when you get a really good ride request and then the rider cancels on you and you get no pay? Because you already drove all the way there to the guy's house or the person's house? That's what that must felt like for them. Ha! A little taste of their own medicine. And then Schulman did not reply to a final question from Lyft attorney who asked whether on August 21, after the 10-day expires, Lyft will be in violation of the injunction if it does not change its business practices. Earlier in the hearing, the judge sounded testy when attorneys asked for clarification on technical details of the injunction. He goes, read my order. I put a lot of time into it. Bro, this judge, I'm a fan of this judge. I am a fan of this judge. This judge is my favorite new judge. If I ever need a judge for something, I'm gonna try to go to this guy. This guy's literally like, he knows how Uber and Lyft's been treating their drivers. He's like, I'm gonna give them a taste of their own medicine. He goes, read my order. I put a lot of time into it. He doesn't even answer the questions. Bro, that is hilarious. So anyways, so now let's get on to the topic of the video. Lyft president. Yeah, so it's the Lyft president. He's the one who made the announcement. John Zimmer, this dude. Lyft's president threatened to shut down service operations over a California court ruling. Lyft's president John Zimmer, blah, blah, blah. He goes, says the company may temporarily stop operating in California over a court ruling earlier this week ordering the ride-hailing giants to reclassify its drivers and employees. He goes, if our efforts here are not successful, it would force us to suspend operations in Cali. Forever? Wait, does this mean they're gonna be gone forever? He didn't even say temporarily. This might be, oh, company temporarily stopped. It's hard to believe we'll be able to switch our model to full-time employment quickly. Okay, so yeah, they just need more time. So they're gonna shut down the app. You can't order Lyft, you can't drive for Lyft. Won't be able to drive for Uber or order an Uber either, which will be interesting with transportation and stuff. It will be super interesting to see if any new rideshare companies come up that actually, you know, hires employees as their drivers in California, because actually I wonder if there are any rideshare companies in California who actually have legitimate employee drivers. And because this might be the perfect time for them, because how else are people gonna get to work who don't have cars? They're gonna have to take the bus or find a friend. Lyft cannot comply with the injunction at the flip of a switch, nearly impossible in the pandemic, blah, 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 blah. You guys get the point. I'm gonna make an update video, guys. Again, there is still 7 more days. Anything could happen. You know, the court could appeal and Uber and Lyft could technically still has a chance to, you know, remain open, but oh yeah, by the way, and then in November, there will be Prop 22, which will give the voters time to decide. So they're gonna basically shut down until people vote on Prop 22 to see whether or not drivers are gonna become employees or independent contractors. Like, the public can vote on this. So Lyft and Uber are like really, really hoping that, I mean, they already heard, guys, I heard that they're $110 million from Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart, I believe, those 4 companies, I believe. Don't quote me on those exact companies. I know Uber and Lyft are at least involved, but $110 million on marketing for this prop to get Prop 22 out. I just got a phone call today from somebody telling me to go vote on Prop 22. But yeah, this is crazy. I'll make an update video with you guys. So at least so basically as of now, facts, if the, you know, court ruling doesn't get appealed, which it probably won't, because that judge, you guys already heard the way he talks. If he sticks to his guns and doesn't get appealed or overruled, then Uber and Lyft will be shut down in California until November, when that Prop 22, you know, when the public can vote whether or not Uber drivers should be independent contractors or employees. If that Prop 22 does, you know, if the public does vote for drivers to stay independent contractors, then that would overturn this court ruling, I believe. I'm not a, you know, I'm not an attorney. I'm just a dude on YouTube who's been reading all this stuff, but I do believe that. So yeah, that's all I know for now. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe so you do see my update videos on this, because you know, I'm gonna be sharing I'm spending all day long reading this stuff. So save yourself the energy. You don't need to, you know, read through this. I'm gonna be sharing all the updates with you guys. I do all my research, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.